pliers. You have some with the screw. These are really old. House was built in like 2007, so I'm remodeling my laundry room. I seen somebody that had plastic anchors in their wall, but mine are screws. And anything that I did, no matter what I would do, try to unscrew it, it wouldn't come out. So watch the video, and he used needle nose pliers to take them out, so I'm gonna do the same thing. Hard to get a grip on them, but even if you pull the anchor in, that's fine too. These are hard to come out, but once you have some good levers, they come out pretty quick. And that is how you take the screw out of a Rowan wire rack hanger. All right.